Hi, today I talk about how to install Robotstudio version 5.15. Robotstudio 5.15 installation is completely different. Robotstudio version 6, version 2023 and 2024. We know Robotstudio including two software, one called Robotware, other one called Robotstudio. But in the version 6.08 and the version 2023 and the version 2024, you just install all of them together. You don't think about other things. But in version 5, you should know the installation procedure. First, you should install Robotware, then install Robotstudio. Let's start. We use Windows XP to install version 5.15. Okay, click Launch. Okay, install production. First, install Robotware. Next, we check the customer. Yeah, we install all this stuff. Robotware including flex dependent. Okay, complete. Robotware version 5.15 is the old Robotstudio, but it's very useful. Sometimes you use old program, you just use Robotstudio 5.15 to open. You should know Robotstudio version 5 program not compatible with Robotstudio 6.08 software, so you have to use Robotstudio 5.15 to open its old program. Okay, install finish. Then install Robotstudio. Okay, complete. Install. Okay, that's it. IT Robotstudio version send to the desk. I don't know where. Oh, this one. So you have 60 days use this one. Yes, that's it. So since create this color different, yeah, everything is okay. So robot system, all this is similar. Yeah, that's it. It seems this one's old version. It's all the same things, new version. It's okay. Okay. So if you use old version program, you have to use the version 5 to open this program. Okay, thank you very much.